One of my favorite country singers is David Ball, and he and Tommy Polk wrote this song about a poor, broken guy and how he had to try to cope with it. And it's called Honk, Healin, and I just get a kick out of it. I did some honky-tonk healing to get me over you. It took some neon nurses around the clock to pull me through. I was in critical condition, my heart was broken in two. But thanks to honky-tonk healing, I'm feeling good as new. Thank you for calling, that's all I can say. Because your get well wishes did are just a little too late. Did you think I'd be later, heartbroken and blue, and missing your kissing? Well, honey, here's the news. I did some honky-tonk healing to get me over you. Took some neon nurses around the clock to pull me through. I was in critical condition, my heart was broken in two. But due to honky-tonk healing, I'm feeling good as new. But drop by some evening if you can catch me home. We'll share a few memories, if that's what you want. Don't be expecting the same fool you left crying in vain. It's been a smooth operation, well, they removed all the pain. I did some honky-tonk healing to get me over you. It took some neon nurses around the clock to pull me through. I was in critical condition, my heart was broken in two. Thanks to honky-tonk healing, I'm feeling good as new. Due to honky-tonk healing, I'm feeling good as new. Those neon nurses just do a great job. Hope you enjoyed it. God bless.